Well, I'm about to show you. Your pharmacist hopes you never ask about. Supplement companies spend billions marketing pills that promise energy, better digestion, and lower inflammation. But there's a leaf sitting in almost every kitchen spice rack in America that most people throw straight in the trash after cooking with it, without ever knowing what it can actually do for their body. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body when you add one simple ingredient to your morning tea. And I'm not just going to tell you it works. I'm going to walk you through what changes in your body at the 1 hour mark, at 3 days, at 1 week, and at 30 days. Because this isn't one of those miracle overnight claims. This is a slow, steady shift. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it correctly because most people who try this get almost no benefit from it for reasons I'll explain. If you're over 60 and you're dealing with any of these, stiff joints when you wake up, sluggish digestion, that mid-afternoon energy crash, or blood sugar that spikes and crashes throughout the day, stay with me. Because this isn't about buying another bottle off Amazon. It's about something you probably already have in your cabinet right now. Here's what most people don't know about bay leaves. They're not just for soup. Bay leaves contain a compound called cineole, along with a group of natural antioxidants that very few people have ever heard of. Cineole has been studied for its calming effect on the nervous system and its potential to support healthy inflammation levels in the body. Now, tea, and I mean real brewed tea, not the sugary bottled stuff, carries its own set of plant compounds called catechins. These are tied to metabolism, circulation, and antioxidant activity. On their own, both of these are helpful. But here's where it gets interesting. When you combine them the right way, the effect isn't just additive. Some researchers believe these compounds work synergistically, meaning together, they may support your body more than either one alone. Let's talk about what actually happens inside your body in that first hour after you drink this. Most people notice something unusual, a calm, steady kind of alertness. Not the jittery, anxious buzz you sometimes get from regular caffeine. That's because cineole has a mild relaxing effect on smooth muscle tissue, including in your blood vessels, while the tea's natural compounds support healthy blood flow. The result? Mental clarity without the crash that follows an hour later. By day 3, digestion is usually the first thing people notice changing. Bay leaf has traditionally been used across many cultures to ease bloating and support smoother digestion. Combined with warm tea first thing in the morning, many people describe feeling noticeably lighter, less heaviness after meals, less bloating by the end of the day. Before we go further, a quick favor. If you're finding this helpful, take a second to hit subscribe and tap that like button. We're building a community here at Vitality Circle for people who want real, practical health information. No sales pitch, no gimmicks, just what actually works. All right, let's keep going because the next part is where things really start to shift. By 1 week in, this is where inflammation-related changes tend to become noticeable. Some studies on cineole-rich plant compounds point to a reduction in markers associated with inflammation. In practical terms, that often means if your knees ache when you get out of bed, they may ache a little less. If your fingers feel stiff in the morning, that stiffness may ease up faster than it used to. This isn't a miracle. It's your body's inflammatory response gradually calming down, and it happens quietly in the background while you go about your normal day. After 30 days, this is where the changes become harder to ignore. Blood sugar tends to level out more evenly throughout the day. Fewer of those hungry an hour after eating spikes. Some people report clearer skin, more consistent sleep, and a general sense that their digestion is simply working better. That's partly because these plant compounds support the pathways your liver relies on to process and clear out toxins every single day. A liver working more efficiently often shows up in small, visible ways, including your skin and your energy levels. Some people also notice their overall energy becomes steadier, not spiked and crashed, but level from morning to evening. All of this from one leaf, added to a cup of tea you were probably already drinking. Now let's get into exactly how to do this, because here's the truth. Most people who try this get almost no results, and it's because of a few simple mistakes in how they prepare it. Let me walk you through the right way, step by step. Step 1. Take one whole dried bay leaf. Not crushed, not powdered whole. Step 2. Steep it directly in a cup of hot water, covered with a lid or a small plate, for 8 to 10 minutes. Covering it matters. It keeps the natural oils from escaping into the air instead of into your water. Step 3. Remove the leaf. Step 4. Use this infused water to brew your tea exactly how you normally would. Bag, loose leaf, doesn't matter. Step 5. Drink it on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning before anything else. 1 cup, once a day. That's the entire protocol. Here are the 3 mistakes that ruin this completely, and most people make at least one of them. Mistake 1. Using crushed or powdered bay leaf instead of whole. The compounds degrade much faster once the leaf is broken down, so by the time it reaches your cup, there's very little left. Mistake 2. Steeping for less than 5 minutes. You simply won't extract enough of the active compounds in that short window. Patience matters here. Mistake 3. Adding sugar or milk right after brewing. Both can interfere with how well your body absorbs some of these plant compounds. If you need flavor, a slice of lemon or a small pinch of cinnamon works far better than sugar or cream. A quick and important note. If you're on blood-thinning medication or you have gallbladder issues, please talk to your doctor before adding this daily. Bay leaf can have mild interactions worth discussing with a professional first. If you have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach, introduce it slowly and see how your body responds. For most people, though, this is one of the simplest and safest additions you can make to your morning routine. Here's the bottom line. 1 leaf, 10 minutes of prep, a cup of tea you were probably already drinking anyway. That's genuinely all it takes to start. You don't need a new supplement, a new routine, or a new bottle of anything. You need 10 minutes and something that might already be sitting in your kitchen. If you know someone over 60 who drinks tea every morning, a parent, a neighbor, a friend, send them this video. It might be the simplest, cheapest thing you do for them all week.